Hey Rax.
Hey Rax.
Welcome back.
Welcome back.
And welcome back.
And welcome back.
And welcome back.
And welcome back.
Welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, my name is Jay. Please don't forget to subscribe for the vibes.
And I am Trent. Make sure you like, comment, share, listen whatever you see. It's okay for you to share it. Turn on the notification bell so whenever we post a video of good food and laughter, you will receive it. Also guys, give this video a thumbs up for this jerk chicken on the grill we're about to consume.
If you have nothing good to say, don't say anything. Let's say grace. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. Amen.
Amen.
As you heard, we're about to have jerk chicken on the grill. So, welcome to another Cooking with Tren and Jay. What can I say? I'm gonna pass this over to you first.
You start out with some oil.
That's our chicken. We had it pre-made in the oven. We had it pre-made in the oven a little bit first before we brought it here for you guys, so it wouldn't take too long to cook because we are a little bit hungry. I hope you guys are having a wonderful, wonderful week.
I don't know if you guys can see that.
Yeah. Yeah, trying to get in the line. Okay guys, so while Trent is having a jet blast grilling for you guys, I hope you guys are having a wonderful, wonderful week. Had a wonderful week. And it's the weekend. Is it the weekend?
Almost.
It's almost the weekend. I hope you guys had a wonderful, wonderful week.
Hey guys, we got some mixed vegetables. It's just carrot and cabbage. It's already seasoned. Fry it up. Tell your story, boo.
Huh?
Tell your story.
Oh yeah, that was it. I was just hoping you guys are planning to do something new or have done something new and, you know, have a different mindset going into the new year. I mean, it's almost a month in and, you know, we think the year is going to go by pretty slowly, but surprise, surprise, it's not. Look at that baby.
Oh guys, look at that steam. I can't wait to eat it.
I think whenever you're ready for the vegetable, you can have it.
I'm dipping.
Alright, go.
Whoa.
Some pieces of the chicken are a little bit cooked already. So.
Whoa. Hot.
Somebody started? I'm gonna let the chicken still has to cook a little bit, guys. So while the chicken is cooking, we're gonna have a conversation about signs of serious relationship problems. Yeah, that's it, right? Okay. So we're not gonna do all in one video. That's not gonna happen. We're going to be splitting this up in pieces. The topic for today is subjects are topics that you are afraid to talk about. Ooh. So that is definitely a sign of a serious relationship problem.
So how would you handle a problem that a spouse is afraid to talk about?
For one, if you're in a relationship and is afraid to talk about a certain topic or a certain subject or anything like that, I'm not sure that's the right person for you to be with. Because you're supposed to be able to have a conversation with the person about anything. So, I mean, you might want to reconsider that relationship altogether. My personal opinion, of course. What do you think?
I think the same as you, but Rex, if you see I'm tearing up this cabbage.
But
it's not only the other person to blame, like, yo, you're wrong to be in that relationship. No. It's the receiving spouse as well.
oh, I'm not saying.
Cause
Okay.
what makes a spouse feel like they can have a conversation with their spouse?
Plenty of reasons as to why. Maybe the spouse, I mean, is not good at communicating with the other one. Or maybe their attitude in certain senses, or when you bring up certain things or whatever the case is a little bit tense. So, you know, there's reasons. I'm not going to say no. But,
Guys, I gotta take this off because it's gonna overcook.
there you go.
Because sometimes the spouse on the receiving end could be Bolivian as into what's going on. Apart from that, turn it off.
Huh? Yeah, it's cool.
We cook.
Woo!
Okay, this smells so good, guys. Alright, look, guys, we have some sweet hot sauce. Sweet hot sauce here.
Alright, go. Whoa. You want me to mix it?
No. You know why? It's gonna mess up the
grill.
The grill, yeah. But I was saying again,
Yeah, the spouse could be Bolivian to it.
too aggressive, too ignorant. Which go under the fact that hard to communicate.
Yeah. But, okay. Picture this, right? If you find yourself in a relationship with somebody like that, right? How
Leave.
would... I mean, that would be my first option.
If you know jerk chicken and jerk chicken.
Well, a little spice.
Without some spice. Oh, hard to cook again.
If you find yourself in a relationship with a spouse who has that kind of problem where you can't talk to them or anything like that, how would you go about handling something like that?
Be quiet.
Yeah, but then your feelings get stifled too if you are. No?
Yeah.
That's why I say just leave. That shit don't work.
Might be.
Because sometimes the person cannot see what they're doing, and even though you explain it to them, they still cannot see it. Because they're so used to doing it.
One thing I learned with used to can be changed.
Oh, definitely. Not that it can. It most certainly can, but it's as if the person is willing to do it.
Well, you're right. It's hot.
That's good.
I don't think if you're in a relationship that you're afraid to talk about certain things. I don't think the solution is just leaving.
I mean,
Because you could you could leave and pick up many different relationships. And the guys, remember I tell you special. The benefit that you was getting from that relationship, you probably won't get it from the next relationship. And it's just one issue in the relationship that you're currently in, which is, you know.
I mean, I could see it. Well, as you always say, the grass ain't green on the other side, so.
It's not green.
I mean, it's everybody's personal decision. Let me put it that way. what I would do is probably not what
Leave.
you. Oh. No, I'm saying what I would do is probably not what you would do. So to each his own then.
I don't think I would leave. No, a relationship is patience and hard work.
I'm not saying no, but if a person is so stuck in their mind that they cannot see where they're going wrong, there comes a point where your patience run out.
You have to be in a relationship that you cannot discuss certain things. It's intimidation.
On certain levels, yes.
It's intimidation, getting angry for stuff that you don't want to discuss is stupid. And, no, it's not right for none of the
Other parties involved. What topic can we have in a relationship that we cannot talk about, or we cannot bring up, that we cannot speak about?
money, finances.
Yeah, but if we're together, why is that such a hard topic to talk about?
Because
Or why should it be?
Not every partner know how to discuss finances.
Okay. But look at it this way. If the person said they want to be with you, right, and they plan to have a life with you and all of that good stuff, wouldn't finances be a part of it, because you would have to be planning for the future?
Of course, but not if every time. If you bring up a topic, every time you bring up a topic, that your spouse is gonna be offended and because they don't want to hear it. That's because they don't want to hear it. They don't want to entertain it. They don't have time for it. Right or wrong, Rox? We're having a full-blown conversation. Forget y'all here.
No, but all right, cool. So say they don't want to have the conversation. If they're gonna give you that attitude that they don't want to have a conversation, wouldn't it be fair to come to the conclusion that you're the only person in the relationship?
Yeah.
Okay.
That would be fair, but
Okay.
what if you assume that and you talk to your spouse to like, no, I'm here, I want to be with you, blah blah blah. But their action is completely opposite.
Which one do you take though?
The action.
Okay, because they always say actions speak louder than words.
Right.
So if a person is showing you something,
Right.
you would be blind.
So Rex, you heard it here. If you can't have a full-blown conversation with your spouse, break up with them.
Yes, and if certain topics are off limits, break up with them, because you're in it by yourself.
I say give it a try, give it a twirl. Everybody have faults. Ain't no one man perfect. So, if you meet someone who you can make and create life with, consider yourself lucky.
Very.
If the person only have one fault.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Because you're gonna go out there and pick up somebody else that have 10. And you're sitting there like, I was only dealing with one.
Facts. The grass is not greener on the other side.
So you don't want to run away from a problem to create the next problem. You find solution. The solution is not what Jay said, I'm playing. Because we individually have our own opinion. My opinion is
different, but every situation.
You work it out.
Yeah, and every situation is different too. Some situations don't call for that drastic measure, and there are other situations that do call for that drastic measure. So, it depends on the situation. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for having this lovely conversation with us. And do think about that one specific thing. If you're in a relationship and you cannot have you can't bring up a certain topic or have a certain conversation with the person that you're with, that is a serious sign
that you really can't have the conversation. You start it up and they spaz out.
Yeah, and that is a serious.
That's a serious sign of the person trying to hide something. Don't want you to dig no deeper, no further. They want you to turn back, and that's it.
Okay, that is a sign of a serious relationship problem. So you might want to check it out. Okay, comment down below and tell us what you think of our jerk chicken on the grill. It was absolutely delicious. And we thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for always supporting us. Thank you guys for commenting. If you have reached this far, thank you. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Until we meet again. I was distracted. Seriously, I get distracted. Have a good time, have a fun time, have a jolly time. Put laughter in your life, guys. It will light it up. Bye
Bye guys.